If you own a home in Frederick, Maryland, and are thinking about ways to boost comfort, efficiency, and property value, replacing your windows should be high on your priority list. While many homeowners delay window replacement due to perceived costs, the long-term benefits often outweigh the initial investment. In fact, upgrading to energy-efficient, modern windows is one of the smartest moves you can make for your Frederick home. Energy efficiency that pays off. Frederick experiences a range of seasonal weather, from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters. Outdated or damaged windows often allow drafts, making it harder for your HVAC system to regulate indoor temperatures. As a result, your energy bills skyrocket. Replacement windows with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help create a thermal barrier. This reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems, leading to lower monthly utility bills. Over time, these energy savings can help offset the upfront cost of the windows. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. New windows dramatically improve the look of your home from the outside and inside. Whether you choose sleek vinyl frames, warm wood finishes, or contemporary fiberglass options, replacement windows give your house a clean, updated appearance. This added curb appeal is especially valuable if you plan to sell your home in the near future. According to national remodeling data, window replacement projects consistently offer a strong return on investment, often recouping over 70% of the cost at resale. In competitive markets like Frederick, attractive, energy-efficient windows can be a major selling point that sets your home apart. Increased comfort and noise reduction. Old windows often cause uneven indoor temperatures due to air leakage and poor insulation. With new, high-performance windows, you can enjoy consistent comfort throughout every room in your home. No more chilly drafts near the glass in winter or hot spots during summer. Additionally, replacement windows help reduce outside noise. If you live near busy streets, rail lines, or other sources of sound, modern insulated glass units will significantly quiet your indoor environment, giving your family greater peace and tranquility. Reduced maintenance and better functionality. One of the less obvious, but equally valuable, benefits of window replacement is reduced maintenance. New windows are often made from durable materials that resist warping, rotting, and corrosion. Many feature easy-to-clean tilt-in sashes, eliminating the hassle of outdoor cleaning or struggling with stuck frames. With upgraded locking mechanisms and smoother operation, replacement windows also boost safety and convenience. You'll no longer have to deal with jammed sashes or broken hardware, and you'll gain greater control over ventilation and home security. Eco-friendly living. For eco-conscious homeowners in Frederick, new energy-efficient windows are a responsible choice. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you reduce your carbon footprint. Many manufacturers also use sustainable materials and recyclable components, further contributing to a greener lifestyle. Additionally, local rebates and incentives may be available for upgrading to Energy Star certified products, which can help you save even more while supporting environmental goals. Final thoughts. Window replacement may seem like a large expense at first glance, but for homeowners in Frederick, Maryland, It's a smart, strategic investment with multiple long-term rewards. From energy savings and home value to comfort, style, and sustainability, new windows deliver benefits that go far beyond the glass. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or simply no longer performing, now is the time to consider upgrading. You'll enhance your home's function and appearance while securing a return on your investment for years to come.